What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NEO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. I will first be going. I'm gonna first show you guys what I believe the market participants are doing and where they're most likely going to take the price to next. So since basically last week Friday, price has been just stabilizing between the $4 and $5 level. As I mentioned before, is basically stuck in this sideways trading range, which is kind of like a black hole or a magnet in the market. So we see this trading range. You see that price just ping ponging back and forth between these two price levels, and most likely will just continue to stay inside of this level. So just expect to see price stable inside the $4 and $5 level for the foreseeable future until we see some sort of catalyst take place. It looks like that catalyst could be that earnings report. It looks like it's coming out just in 4 days, around 4 days. So that could be the catalyst where we finally see a breakout instead of trading right around this $4 to $5 level since basically mid-November. So looking for some sort of catalyst. If BABA continues to rally, that may provide some sort of catalyst for other Chinese stocks to also rally. Not guaranteed, but again, it's a good sign generally. Price is still below this long-term trend line right here, but again, the drops are getting weaker. Looks like the rejection is getting weaker. So if we do see a strong break above the $5 level, I think we could probably see a rally up to the probably the $6 level and possibly even higher from there. You can do a double of the range, which is right around 567 if we do break out higher. If we do break out lower, which is always on the table, then it'll come back to this prior support right over here at the 366. So we'll see what NEO wants to choose to do. It's right now consolidating. It's showing signs of weakness by the bears, but again, the market can change in an instant, right? It can change today. It can break out today. I don't expect it to, but it can break out today. But overall, it's just still finding its footing, waiting for a breakout of this downward sloping trend line, and then we'll go from there. If it doesn't, then you know why. It's still in below the trend line. Looking at the weekly charts, price just came back near its prior all-time low levels, right over here, sub $5. At one point, it was at 361. Lowest Neo has been is right around $1. I don't think it's going to get that low. It doesn't look like price wants to. It looks like it's stabilizing around this level, meaning most of the aggressive sellers have probably left the market, and it's just the kind of like the small fish playing around at this level instead of the big players. The volatility has kind of died down as well, but it could start picking up with Baba continuing to rally and that possible earnings report coming out, leading to a big move in either direction. So we'll see which way this goes. But as right now, I would say staying between the $4 and $5 level until that earnings report. If the earnings report is bullish, expect to break out to the high fives. If the earnings report is bearish, then you know why. It's staying below the downward sloping trend line that it has not broken, and it most likely will continue to trade sub $4. That's all I have for NEO on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.